Hello dear children, welcome back to the class. In today's class, we are going to do from your English textbook Marigold, Unit 3, Chapter The Wind and the Sun. This is the class for your exercise given after the chapter. You can see on page number 49, the fill in the blanks are given. Here it says, choose the right word from the box below and fill in the blanks. So you can see the words are given in this blue box and we have to choose the words from here and put it accordingly in the paragraph. Now let's read the paragraph. One day, the wind and the sun had a competition. They dashed to make a man take off his coat. So what they did to make the man to take off his coat? Yes, they wanted to make a man take off his coat. First, the wind dashed hard. Correct. The wind blew hard. The man dashed his coat tightly round himself. Yes, the man pulled his coat tightly round himself. Then the sun dashed, shining hard. The sun started shining hard. The man dashed hot. The man felt hot. And he dashed off his coat. Yes, finally he took off his coat. Now you all can write down these words in the given blanks. After that, we will move to the next work given in your textbook. Here is the work. So look at these pairs of words with opposite meanings. So here we can see the pair of word is given and they have the opposite meaning. Hot, cold, big, small, strong, weak. So only 3 pairs are given. Now what we have to do? Write the opposites of good, tall, hard and black. We have to find the opposite of these 4 words and write it here. First, tell me the opposite of good. Correct. The opposite of good is bad. Let's move to the tall. Yes, its opposite is short. Opposite of hard. Yes, it is soft. Opposite of black. Yes, it's white. So these are the 4 more pairs of opposite words. Now move to the crossword puzzle. Look at the pictures and complete the words in the puzzles. So here you can see near to every picture the number is given and there are few missing spellings with the number. So first picture represents the first spelling. Find out the first picture. Yes, it's a man and the spelling of man is M-A-N. Very good. Moving to the second picture, observe it and tell the name. Correct. It's C-O-A-T. Coat. The third one, absolutely correct. It is a sun. S-U-N. Fourth one is W-I-N-D. Wind. Very good. Now let's move to the next one. Yes, on the next page you can find this one about the wind. Here we will read about the wind, what is written here. A big wind is blowing. Look, the leaves are flying. The wind can blow trees down. It can blow houses down. My house is old. Will it come down? Are these sentences right or wrong? Let's see whether these sentences about the wind are correct or wrong. If it is correct, we have to put a right tick. If it is not correct, we have to cross in front of these sentences. So let's see the first sentence. The wind can blow down a house. Is it correct? Yes. Whenever the wind is blowing very hard, it can blow down a house. Correct? The wind can blow down a field. No, because field is already a flat surface. How a wind can blow down? The wind can blow down only the tall things. The wind can blow down a child. Normally it will not happen, only during the tornado it can happen. The wind can blow down a tree. Yes, it can blow down a tree. The wind can blow down a river. No, it cannot blow down a river. So students, these questions we have done. I will give you the worksheet in the link. That worksheet you need to do by yourself and check your answers. It will be a live worksheet. Thank you. Now we are going to end our class. Thank you so much.